Alright, so these are the selections from the vending machines in this government building where we're trying to get Scarlett registered for kindergarten. Not bad, being that we didn't bring any drinks here, but we have a bunch of iced coffees to select from. And in this case, some kid-friendly stuff is some of this orange juice and some of this peach type of drink. But it's about 100 yen, so a little less than $1 for this. Alright, that's the Japanese vending machine. Oh, and the adult selections, a little more of the higher priced adult selections are here for the iced coffee.
Daddy, Dad, can you open this?
All pretty good.
Dad, can you open this?
Say bye.